Water inside your Rheem water heater's wire housing causing breaker trips is a sneaky problem that can seriously mess up your home's hot water situation. So here's the thing. Water getting into the electrical part of your water heater is super risky and usually means something's not right with the ceiling or plumbing nearby. First off, always switch off power before touching anything electrical to stay safe. Next, check for leaks around the pipes on top of the tank. Sometimes tiny drips can run down into the wire box without being obvious. If nothing's dripping there, look at where wiring goes into the heater. Moisture can sneak in through gaps or damaged seals. You might want to use some electrical tape or silicone sealant rated for plumbing to close those gaps after drying everything thoroughly. It's also smart to inspect the wire caps and replace any that look melted or corroded because damaged insulation can cause shorts and trips. When you dry the area, a hairdryer on low heat, not too close, can help evaporate hidden moisture. Regularly check your water heater for signs of corrosion or rust. That often hints at leaks before they get bad. If you're still stumped, calling a plumber or electrician to do a proper inspection can save you headaches and possibly prevent a costly tank replacement. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water heater issues like breaker trips and water and wiring is ignoring small leaks, which then cause bigger electrical problems. Fix that by doing quick leak checks around fittings and seals. Another common issue is not replacing damaged wire caps or connectors. Those melted parts should be swapped out immediately to avoid shorts or fire hazards. Lastly, not sealing the wire entry points correctly lets moisture creep in, so make sure those spots are well sealed with proper materials designed for water heaters or outdoor wiring. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who know their stuff about water heaters and home repairs, making it easier to fix problems fast and right. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people looking for skilled pros, helping grow their business while homeowners get peace of mind.